Hi, crypto fans. This is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Upbit. I am going to show you what the exchange is all about, some of the best wallets you can use, and much more. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest whale to the moon coin. Let's get into it. Upbit is a popular South Korean cryptocurrency exchange that was founded in 2017 by Song Chi-Hyung, who is the CEO of Dunamu, which is Upbit's holding company. This crypto exchange prioritizes asset protection and account security, and offers a wide variety of institutional-level digital asset management solutions, a proprietary trading algorithm, and fully configurable trading tools. Since its launch, Upbit has become one of South Korea's largest exchanges, with over 8 million users worldwide. It currently offers more than 200 tradable cryptocurrencies and a beginner-friendly mobile application. Not only is Upbit a great option for retail and crypto enthusiasts, but institutional investors can use Upbit safely for high-level digital asset custody services. Using these services will give you access to more advanced security features, such as whitelisting, daily withdrawal limits, different verification methods, and enhanced security through multi-sig integration methods for cold wallets. Upbit is also the first crypto exchange in the world to obtain certifications from the Korea Internet and Security Agency for Informational Security Management Systems, or ISMS, which makes it one of the safest exchanges you can trade with. The website is simplistic and easy to navigate. You can easily open the exchange, wallets, account history, and support links by choosing an option directly from the menu bar. The Upbit official mobile application is designed to be user-friendly, and you can use it to buy and sell more than 150 cryptocurrencies from over 220 markets, monitor trends and market data in real time, and set custom notifications for your favorite cryptocurrencies. This application can be downloaded at no cost from Google Play and the Apple App Store. If you would prefer to trade on your desktop or laptop, simply click on the Exchange tab and start trading on the web exchange. You can add cryptocurrencies to your favorites list on both mobile and web platforms. And once you've chosen some crypto pairs to trade, be sure to read the in-depth articles on each instrument by clicking on the Info button. These articles give background information about all the different cryptocurrencies on Upbit, as well as a detailed overview and information about the key features and core values of those cryptocurrencies. Before you can start trading or staking on Upbit, you'll need to create an account. You can easily create an account in a few simple steps. Firstly, open the Upbit homepage, and then click on the Sign Up button. Enter your email address, and don't forget to choose a strong password for your account. Next, verify your email address, and then sign in to your account. Once your account is verified and set up, you can make your first deposit and start trading. Upbit does not currently offer a proprietary crypto wallet. You can store your cryptocurrencies in your account. However, we do recommend transferring your assets to a third-party wallet once you have purchased them. Some of the best wallets you can use with Upbit are MetaMask, Trust Wallet, and Ledger. The MetaMask software wallet can be used to conveniently buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies using the built-in exchange, and it allows you to connect directly to a variety of blockchain applications. Trust Wallet is free to download and use, and supports a total of more than 160,000 coins and digital assets. which can easily be traded and managed directly from the wallet. The Ledger hardware wallet is available in the Nano S and Nano X models, and using Ledger Live, you can buy and exchange over 5,000 coins and tokens. This wallet offers secure offline storage. It is compatible with 50 third-party wallets and can store up to 100 decentralized applications. Once you have created an account and linked to your wallet, you can buy cryptocurrencies by either using the web exchange or by downloading the mobile application. In order to buy from the web exchange, click on Exchange and choose your order type and instrument. Specify the amounts and click on Buy. You can follow the same process when using the mobile application. Now you have an account and you have chosen your wallet. If you require assistance with anything else, you can contact the Upbit support team by submitting a web ticket. We would also recommend visiting the FAQ section to view guides and tutorials on creating and managing your account, making deposits and withdrawals, and everything else you would need to know about the platforms and products. You will also find more information about airdrops, new listings, maintenance, and company news under the support section. So, what do we like about Upbit? Upbit is one of Korea's safest and largest cryptocurrency exchanges and has more than 8 million users worldwide. It is also the first crypto exchange in the world to obtain certification from the Korean Internet and Security Agency for Information Security Management Systems, and offers both retail and institutional level services. If you are interested, be sure to open your Upbit account today and gain access to more than 200 markets and over 150 cryptocurrencies. And that is our overview of Upbit. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Remember to leave us a comment. Do you want us to research a project or coin? If so, leave the coin or the project name in the comments section, and we might cover it in our next few videos. And that's it from me for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your investments.